Welcome to Edinburgh. I'm David, a local tour guide and photographer and author of the Edinburgh City Guide. In this series, I'm going to show you 100 of my favourite places to visit in Edinburgh. Today is number 4 in the series, and you find me at one of Edinburgh's most beautiful closes, White Horse Close, close to Holyrood Palace on the Royal Mile. Edinburgh has many beautiful closes and courtyards, but perhaps none more picturesque than White Horse Close in the Canongate, near the bottom of the Royal Mile. In the 1500s, it was the location of the Royal Mews, and it's thought that Mary Queen of Scots stabled her white palfrey here. The close was at one time known as Lawrence Ord's Close. He was a wealthy local merchant who built an inn and coaching stables here, naming it the White Horse Inn after Queen Mary's favourite horse just mentioned. The close was extensively restored in 1889 and 1964 and would have looked quite different to what you see today. A coach service from Edinburgh to London used to run from the inn from the mid-1700s, which took a whopping 8 days. The same journey nowadays by train takes just over 4 hours. In 1745, Jacobite officers used the inn as their headquarters to plan their campaign. The close was also home to William Dick, who founded the Royal School of Veterinary Studies in 1823. People still live here, so please be quiet and respectful when you visit. Afterwards, visit Holyrood Palace, the Scottish Parliament, Dynamic Earth, the Museum of Edinburgh, the Canongate Church and Bakehouse Close, which are all close by, or take a walk up Arthur's Seat for great views of the city. If you'd like to see more of my favourite 100 places, please subscribe, or you can download my full page ebook guide from my website www.adventuresinscotland.uk. Thanks so much for watching number 4 of this series, and I really look forward to seeing you again soon with number 5. Bye for now.